Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on this 2016 Hyundai Elantra. This will be the same, if not very similar, for the 2011 to 2016 year model Hyundai Elantras. If this video does help you out, make sure you comment below, like, subscribe, and share while you're watching, please. This procedure doesn't take too long, about 5 minutes in your driveway, and let's get going real quick. Right here is your engine air filter, driver's side, right by the battery. To remove the air filter, all you need to do is loosen this clip right here and another one tucked down under inside this void, inside the fender. It doesn't take any extra oomph or any tools to get them loose. As you can see right there, they unclip real easy. Now, to do it, or the way we're doing it in this video, is to really save you time to get the job done and just get your maintenance procedure done like they would do at a speedy oil change or something like that. But if you would like, you could loosen this screw right here, and that would allow you to take the whole upper intake air box off rather than putting stress on the boot that we're kind of going to do in this video, and that can in the long run crack it. To remove this upper box, lift up and then pull out towards the driver's side of the vehicle, and that will make the clips on the back side or on the engine side slide out. Now you can see this is where we're putting stress on that boot. This is really not that good. I'm not putting too much stress because I know we're going to hurt it, or we can hurt it, but in the long run it could crack, and this could be why. Now there's the engine air filter. Take it out. This one is filthy. You can see around here there's a lot of farmland. We're driving through hay, dust, everything, and there's a lot of rodents too that could take stuff up into your intake box. So what I usually do when I find a dirty air filter like this, I'll go ahead and grab my vacuum, get everything cleaned out inside there, make sure there's no rodents making nests, make sure there's no reason for a rodent to get in there in the first place. Just make sure this is nice and cleaned up. You can see I grabbed the shop vac, just suck everything out, get it nice and clean. If you want, if there's dust and dirt under the whole engine compartment, or under the hood, I should say, vacuum all that up. Make this area nice and clean. Make the whole under the hood area look nice and clean, if the vacuum could help you out in that fashion right here. Now, changing the engine air filter should be done about every 30 to 45,000 miles, depending on the region that you live. More water in the air, if there's a higher humidity in the air, more dust, all that could affect how effective your air filter will be in the long run. So you might want to replace them more often if you're in a very humid or a very dusty area. Grab your new air filter. You could compare and contrast if you want. You could see how dirty the old one is and how clean the new one is compared right here. It's pretty bad. This one was way overdue. This will save you about, or it will cost you about 25 bucks at a store to get this filter, and obviously you're doing it for free. If you need a filter, make sure you look for a link in the description below. There should be one down there for you. When you install the new filter, everything should slide together with ease. If anything takes any oomph or extra effort to get it to lay flat or to clip, there's something not right. To install the upper air cleaner box on this one, the back clips slide in first, so push down on the back, and then you're going to slide the whole box inward so you could clip the outer clips in. Don't forget, you don't want to put too much stress on that boot that goes down to the throttle body. It could crack in the long run, like I said. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.